In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your calendar to HubSpot CRM, a task that only takes about 5 minutes. If you're managing appointments, meetings, or any other schedule-heavy tasks, integrating your calendar with HubSpot can streamline your workflow significantly. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the HubSpot website. If you're not familiar with it, HubSpot offers a range of software and tools that can really boost your business operations, from marketing and sales to customer service and CRM. For this particular task, our main focus is on the CRM capabilities, which is the point where your calendar comes in handy. Once on the site, locate and click on the Login button. Normally you'll find this in the upper right corner of the home page. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home. Here you can see various options and features provided for managing your business processes. Conveniently, this is where you'll take your next step towards connecting your calendar. Navigate over and find the Marketplace icon. The Marketplace is like an integrated app store where you can find a range of applications to enhance your HubSpot experience. Click this icon to proceed. When you're in the Marketplace, the next step is fairly straightforward. Look for the Apps section and click on it. It's where you'll discover various third-party applications that you can link to your HubSpot account, which broadens the horizon of tools you can efficiently use within a single platform. From the list of available apps, find Google Calendar. If Google Calendar is already integral to your daily operations, this is going to be the app you need to connect. HubSpot has made it beautifully simple to sync your calendar events with their CRM functionality. By doing this, you ensure that all your meetings and appointments are easily accessible through HubSpot, giving you more control over customer interactions. Once you've located Google Calendar in the app list, go ahead and click on it. The final action in this process is to click on Install App. This option is prominently displayed when you choose the Google Calendar app. Installing this app will set up a bridge between your HubSpot CRM and your Google Calendar, allowing seamless synchronization of your schedule and CRM activities. In just a few clicks, your CRM can work in tandem with your Google Calendar, ensuring your time management flows smoothly without a hitch. And that's it. You've successfully connected your calendar to HubSpot CRM. Remember, integrating tools like these can save you time and effort in the long run, as it brings a higher level of organization and automation to your daily tasks. If you encounter any issues or have more questions about using HubSpot, their support resources are quite robust and they're always ready to help. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your business tools.